The fully automatic plastic blow molding machines are able to produce different volumes of containers. These machines are available in the TDB series of models and TDM2 30-liter. These machines are designed for producing blow-molded plastic articles including chemical barrels, tool kits, blow-molded plastic articles for automobiles, gasoline tanks for automobiles, and blow-molded chairs. The following blow-molded barrels of bigger sizes can be produced on the machine. Plastic barrels with volumes of 220, 500, or 1,000 liters, blow-molded plastic pallets, and 6-layer fuel tanks for automobiles. The machines work under the electric control of PLC, imported from Japanese Mitsubishi, via a man-and-machine interface. The machine operation is completed on a touch-type color TV screen. A temperature control module contains the working temperature. All the technological parameters can be set up, modified, searched, and monitored on the touch-type screen. Troubleshooting of the machines can also be completed on this screen. The machine works on the non-point contact working principle. The electric elements used on the machine are durable in service life. The hydraulic system of the machine works under proportional pressure control. The hydraulic components used in the system, such as hydraulic valves and oil pumps, are imported from well-known overseas manufacturers, thus being consistent in working accuracy and reliable in performance. The high-efficiency plasticizing and mixing screw assures thorough and homogeneous plasticization of plastics. The frequency control and the speed reduction box with hardened alloy steel tooth gears assure smooth speed regulation, less noise, and durable service life. The mold closing and opening system of the machine is equipped with 2 independent drawbars to assure synchronization for mold closing and opening movements. The central mold locking mechanism and the mold moving mechanism can be positioned at an accuracy of microns over their full travel by linear spherical guideways. These 2 mechanisms feature smooth movement, less power consumption, higher load carrying capacity, and no deformation of product. The mold closing and opening system and the mold locking system without the use of drawbars are patents of this company. The mold locking mechanism works at its 4 corners to assure even application of a great mold locking force. The non-drawbar type mold plate offers bigger space to facilitate mold mounting. The mold closing and opening cylinder and the mold moving cylinder, both with a small cylinder bore, feature rapid speed and less power consumption. The machine is equipped with a robot to pick up the finished product automatically. So the constant quality of final products and the operation safety can be assured on this machine. An independent oil cylinder is used to finish the melted plastics injection to secure the concentricity of the injected melt and to avoid the synchronization which happens when 2 oil cylinders are used. The pressure control in 10 segments is an exclusive know-how of Tongda Company. This technology helps to prevent the difference in width between the upper part and the lower part of a plastic parison when the parison is positioned vertically. Meanwhile, this technology helps to improve the uniformity of the wall thickness of a finished container product. The mold head, made of high-grade nitrated steel, has been precision machined and heat-treated, thus being durable in its service life. The mold head and the upper machine head can be moved up and down at the same time and can be advanced or withdrawn simultaneously under the hydraulic control. Sufficient space can therefore be reserved for mounting a mold. The mold head can be moved up and down to facilitate adjustment of the distance from the mold head opening to the mold. Thus, the excess melt can be reduced to a minimum in actual production.